I can't wait for the bog. I am so glad you get to go.
I had to babysit a bunch of baby bots, but I finally got enough pennies to go to the bog.
Have you filled out your registration form?
Yes. I turned it in yesterday.
I'm filling mine out today. What tracks did you select?
I am doing zip line on Tuesday, girl bot Bible study on Wednesday, and paintball on Thursday. I hope someone shoots me right here because my paint has been fading.
Ha 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 ha. I would like to do paintball too. I will shoot you if I get a chance.
You are such a good friend.
I heard there is going to be a photo booth this year. Let's take a bunch of crazy pictures. Like this. Or this. Or this. Ha 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 ha.
Hee, that is funny hee. How about this? We should do this one.
Ha ha ha. Oh, stop it. I am afraid my pipe might leak. Ha ha ha.
Hee.
Ha 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 ha.